Hey guys, Steph here, and before I get into the video, I wanted to say thank you so much. We hit 1,000 subscribers shortly before my birthday, which was February 24th. I am so thrilled that I got that milestone. I honestly, when I started this channel, thought it was going to take me a couple of years to get that far. And instead, I did it in about 9 or 10 months, which is really impressive to me. Especially given how erratically I post. So thank you so much. To thank you for your support, I am doing a giveaway. If you stay tuned to the end of this video, I will have instructions on how to enter. It is international. It is a physical item, so international folks, it'll probably be a gift card for you. But I will be giving you details at the end of the video. But for now, check out all this cool Murrini I got. Okay, let's hop right into it. I purchased some stuff for my Kickstarter because I needed some Murrini for some of the hearts. Moreno had some stuff on good deal with Wilderness Glass. And as always, Dan Heaviland had his beautiful cane on sale, or not on sale, but for sale. And so I splurged. So this is going to be an unboxing of 3 different retailers. I will include links to everybody in the description below, so if you want to check out some of this stuff, you will be able to. Okay, first things first. Dan had this beautiful rainbow cane for sale. Now, in contrast, this is his rainbow on white, and it's really pretty, and I have had several sticks of this. I absolutely love it. It's fairly thick, like this is probably just over 3/8 of an inch at this end and about 1/4 on this end. It's pretty heavy duty cane. I love his white and white rainbow. This is what it looks like when you cut into it. Isn't that gorgeous? So when he did the dark rainbow, I had to pick some up. So I have, as I make terrible noises, 4 of these beautiful canes. And aren't they just gorgeous? I just love the dark rainbow. So I can't wait to play with it. This is what it looks like when it's cut. And that is just stunning. So I can't wait to use this. I love fusing it into dots. It's very popular in my classes. And I just haven't had a chance to do it. And by the way, if you hear things clicking, my kiln is working away. Next up is what he refers to as his Mardi Gras glass. He has it in both a standard spiral and this is what they call a double twist. Isn't that cool? And it is stunning stuff. It's got black, purple, looks like neo lavender and some purple and adventurine green and a different green, but isn't it pretty? And it cuts up really nice. It's really affordable. I highly recommend Dan's glass because it is just that cool. And so now I have all these colors to play with. I have more of this, it's just off screen. So now I have all these pretty things to play with, and I can't wait to make hearts out of them all. Alright, next up we have Moreno from Wilderness Glass. And I picked up these. They're purple centered flowers. They are super cute. I don't always get to purchase her glass, but she had a bunch, and I was like, okay, I've got to get these. They're kind of like a little, like, I don't know, petal flower daisy. But I got myself 1.5 ounces of those. And then I also got the dark blue with the yellow centers, which is super cute as well. I like her stuff. And so when she had bags of seconds on clearance, I jumped and bought myself 3 bags worth because as you can see in here, there is some beautiful, beautiful, as I'm holding them out of the way, there is some beautiful, beautiful stuff in these bags of seconds. There's absolutely no reason not to use them. A lot of my glass I buy curious. I mean, I buy my sheet glass curious if I can get to it. Because, I mean, glass is so dang expensive and imperfections are really minor. I mean, we're playing with art, so not everything has to be perfect. And then she clearanced some more stuff after I bought it, and I was actually holding off on the video to make it. But these are her dots that she has on clearance right now. With, she said they were an experiment. I said they were really cool on Facebook, and she answered me. but they are really neat looking dots. And there's some of them are small. Some of this is about 3/8 up to a little over a ½ an inch. But they're pretty. And I am looking forward to using them. These are the blue. And then I had pink too. And I got 2 baggies of each. But I mean, one baggie is the same as the second baggie. So I'm not going to show you. But aren't those beautiful? They are really, really cool. And I can't wait to play with them. So that's all my glass from Lori Moreno, a Wilderness Glass. And then the last folks I got glass from was the Murrini shop. Now, usually I buy the Murrini shop's glass on their website, but lately I've just been using Etsy because I'm lazy and it saves my payment information. But I got this one. This is called Lipstick. It is one of my... I have 3 favorites. This is one of them. I didn't cut chunks, but you can see when I twist it what it looks like. They are my favorite shop for this sort of concentric circle Murrini. Their colors are vibrant. They ship quick. It ships out of like St. Louis. And I just love what they have. But Lipstick and Bullseye, and they have 96 too. But Lipstick and Bullseye is one of my favorite colors. Then I picked up Tequila Sunrise. You can see here the sort of concentric circles it has, which I thought was cute. I'm trying for a rainbow of colors. And then I got Sunshine Daisies, which makes me think the Harry Potter reference. But it's really cute. I love those. I got Golf Knickers because it just looked so silly. And I needed a good green, and these are kind of a fun green color. So, I mean, come on, focus. Isn't it cute? And then I had to, because my wife loves them, The Simpsons. Look how bright those colors are. So, I got a pack of The Simpsons. And then I got a pack of what they call Cape Cod Cottage, which is sort of a brownie aqua, which was really pretty. And then here is my second of my 3 favorites. This is called Ocean at Night. And I really do love the color. I don't know what shade of blue this is because it's Bullseye. But I think it might be Egyptian blue, but it's an absolutely beautiful one with a light colored center, and I probably bought 8 ounces of this stuff over time. But I swear it's a beautiful color, and it's one of my favorites. And then I got Taffy Swirl, which has a bunch of really pretty light pastels, light purples. And then here is my other favorite, as I bang the camera, my third of the favorites for the Murrini shop. And it's because purple is my favorite color. But this is called Perfectly Purple. And they come in a variety of shades of purple. And they are just stunning. And don't mind the light in here. It's trying to be sunny out. And so I've got a window behind me and the shop is all questionable. Now, I did screw up when I ordered from the Murrini shop. And I ordered a grape set of slices that they had, because it was all they had. And I was thankfully messaged by the shop owner, and they're like, hey, this is 96. Well, crap. I have a little bit of 96 that I used. I got some scrap, but I don't usually fuse with 96. So I asked if they'd be willing to just send me something else of their choosing in place of the grape. And this is what they sent. It's called Silk Sari. And it is stunning. This must be peacock blue. And I just love the way it turned out. I mean, it's just beautiful stuff. I think I'll be buying more of this. It's really pretty. But those are all of my goodies. As you can see right here, I'm acquiring myself a pile of pretties. I'll just keep adding to the pile of pretties. That I can't wait to start using, not just for my Kickstarter, but for fun projects for myself and for my class. If you're in the Portland area and you weren't aware of it, I am teaching in Oregon City at the art literacy nonprofit named Soulflags. I'll include a link down below. But I teach every other Thursday in a glass class, so if you want to come, if you're not a fuser, or even if you are and you just want a fun time, come down and see me. Okay, isn't that Murrini cool? I can't wait to start playing with it. So, giveaway, which I know is what you're probably really here for. I'm giving away one of these. And this is a Firelight 7055. 9-pan heart mold. I'm giving this one away as opposed to the Creative Paradise one because I work I do work exclusively in the Firelight form. And so I want somebody out there to have one. To enter, I'm going to have a link down below to a little widget that will let you log in, and you just do what it asks. It's pretty simple. It's like a login, accept the rules, and then I think it might send you to a Facebook page to count, and it counts as an entry. But it's fairly simple. And just do that, and that'll give you your chances to win. I'm going to post this on the 2nd. It's going to go for, 5 to 7-ish days. A couple days after that, I'm going to draw a winner, and then I will be getting in contact with that winner. It's pretty simple. Like I said in the beginning, since it is a physical object, I don't know if Firelight ships internationally or what the cost would be, so I will probably do a gift card to a Glassware Supplies or some sort of retailer of your choice instead. But by all means, hit the link in the description below and enter, and I can't wait to see somebody get this heart mold. Thank you so much again for subscribing.
Hey, it's Steph, and I appreciate you watching my video. YouTube will recommend another one down below, so if you want to keep watching, just click on it.